Samsung's about to rewrite the foldable rulebook. While the Z Fold 7 gets titanium upgrades, the real game changer might be the tri-fold Galaxy G Fold. But there's a catch you need to know. Titanium design reveal first, the leaks. Both the Z Fold 7 and the mysterious G Fold could get titanium backplates. Lighter, stronger, and borrowed from the Fold 6 FE's limited release. But here's the kicker. The G Fold might be Samsung's first phone with a detachable digitizer since the Fold 3. Tri-fold prototype footage meet the Flex G Reborn. This 9.96-inch tri-fold beast could weigh like Huawei's Mate X2 with a 6.49-inch outer screen for daily tasks. But sources say it'll share DNA with the Z Fold 7. Same speakers, similar hinges, just with an extra fold. Market availability map. Now the bombshell model numbers SMF968N and SMF9680 suggest the G Fold may only launch in South Korea and China. Why? Likely limited production. Remember the Z Fold Special Edition? Battery tech deep dive. The real innovation? Silicon carbon batteries, packing more power in less space. Think 6,100 mAh energy in a 5,000 mAh footprint. But insiders say Samsung's keeping capacity under 5,000 mAh to chase that ultra-slim profile. Competitive comparison. At 3,000 plus, this isn't just fighting Huawei's €3,499 Mate XT. It's battling consumer psychology. For that price, you could grab an S25 Ultra and a Tab S10 Plus. But Samsung's betting big on versatility. Durability concerns the Achilles heel, those exposed creases. While the Z Fold 6 has IP48 rating, tri-folds struggle with dust water resistance. And without IP67, that's a risky gamble for a premium device. Future of foldables montage. This isn't just another phone, it's Samsung's moonshot to make tri-folds mainstream. If they nail the price-to-innovation ratio, the G Fold could be remembered like the original Galaxy S. If not, well, even Apple's struggling to sell $3,500 gadgets. Would you buy a tri-fold at laptop prices? Drop your thoughts below and hit subscribe. We'll be first to test these folding marvels when they maybe hit stores this October.